Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be showing freezing cold winter outfits. You guys have been asking for these for a minute. I was waiting for it to get cold outside, otherwise I get so sweaty filming these. Before we get into this video though, I did want to say thank you so much to Songmount for sponsoring. Let me show you my new everyday bag. So you're going to see a few bags in this video, and something that I think is like most important when we're doing freezing cold winter outfits are the accessories, whether it's the hats, the scarves, the sunglasses, and of course the bags, because a lot of the time all you really see are like shoes, pants, jacket. I felt like this was a really good video to show these bags. This is my new everyday bag. It is a little bucket bag, a black bucket bag. And if you guys watch my channel, you know I'm absolutely obsessed with like my Birkin basket. And this feels like the Birkin basket, like a wicker basket, but hands-free, like it can go crossbody. That's also something I think that's just so important with winter outfits, is a crossbody bag, because a lot of the times you have really big sleeves that don't fit into a little shoulder purse. I like that this one can also be held top handle style though, because I prefer that actually. I think it's so cute. Or just, you know, like quickly over the wrist. Super easy, hands-free. So we got this one. The leather quality is absolutely insane. It's this black pebbled leather. Again, you're gonna see me style it 100 ways. It's truly my new everyday bag. In bed editing, I forgot to show you guys how perfectly these side pouches are. Your phone can be like right there to grab and slide right in. I've got all my stuff in here and it holds so much, so it's pretty heavy. And then I've got two other ones I wanted to show. I don't have this kind of brown bag, and I thought this one was really nice and simple. You can easily just wear it over the shoulder, or again, that crossbody style. I love the crescent moon style bags. And then this one is just like absolutely crazy. I wouldn't wear it like this for the winter time or like casual outfits, but this is really nice if you want it for like a going out bag. It turns into this like insanely cute clutch. I think that's adorable. I've actually rented a bag that was like this kind of little style for a wedding, and I'm really happy to have my own because I think like it's such a good night clutch. You guys know I'm just like into a clutch. Maybe I could wear this because I think I'll style it this way too. I do just love a clutch. And then this last one, I thought the stitching on it was just insane. The white stitching on a black leather pebble bag. This one, again, you can more so wear it crossbody, which is just so cute. They're like such unique bags, but can be worn every day for sure. And then it's still got that little top clutch that I think is so cute. All these come in different sizes as well. They will be linked in the description box. Let's get into the outfits. I'm gonna blast some music and we're just gonna party.
love you, baby. Oh, baby.
Ashanti, chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. Dance for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. Can you take control for me? I just wanna love you, baby. What you thinking? I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me.